Again, need 2 weeks. Cabo, could nipa Kotoko.
Says
now, nipa wabu more campo. Baby, I got to go place no. A most security.
Omakwana wabu.
Ah,
Omakwana.
Omot winning cool. Who nipa dia sumbo. Baby, I got to go. Baby, I got to Kotoko, baby, on place in Dano. Who nipa dia sumbo. If you need some. Management ne cry there so much me contain abedu sa time ne manager no do to no kure bi ni na afa because nsema e kosu Kotoko aka kire no oyawe and that was the reason why time on my friend say wo mra no mpeso obeba
no ma pe bibia ja no kwan na player
oh for me the meaning say do Kotoko you ready for anything
also the bibia as funny name
eh na me to so bi betimi abo bi no ahwe obeto from no fi won sorry biem na we 6 months ko ba se gidigidi esi twa ne 6 months salary so twa na na wa it is said decision we nko ade
na manager no o krum ha na so outside
o Niga na oni say only the funny aspect manager no should delete through emotion pon
but emos only players in relationship to say
very good
very good. I'm told say he has issues with a number of them
because Oma on say Kotoko players no to me sure say season we so ban we ya because of indiscipline be na besako
no ma kwa za kitu 40 something no
and ebe koso pa ebe koso omo manager lot o say we dey ne dey aginsemo abro dey dey aginse
kwa mbuguma idi
no mo ye won hwia na enye but the other players are to minim se Kotoko no mo bebo na for mo be fa suban bi ana se hwan o
ana se Kotoko he code of conduct also we code of conduct any side players no mutibom no say others are stopping it players no mutibom
they Ghana live in the omo
me can like professionally
they professional dey nya no
also be am bobo the day before
na say o Premier League club players 7 that one room Ghana Premier League
team get to afi no
team get to say team get to say team there
na zia enye na nze ni aba so azi ezuzu na 89 that them na naija ewi ase ko na nim kaka bi out there say
eti Joseph Ablodie management I take a good decision ko menyo enyo ma mate ama hwehwem am to mehu no Ablona the time Kotoko kure so ya che ansakura na de kosi wo asankagwa na kosi
okay Chris Columbus say why I don't understand Ghana coaches why do they kill keepers careers Maxwell did the same to Felix Annan that's very bad akwese de edu de can world cup na ko come on one eti go man nko this year amakoye na
na say na hoto no na okotena stance mu say ke bibi kire
some na ko bench
and also onko
other ko bench in position
okay
also bench in position
number one choice
also be Fernande
a club coach
I still insist
but no so I'm told say inside say he wants to request some man nko
because say on wa dey na so to from ewu nyoma na ekoso
no ma me kwa bia ho no metima nya World Cup na ko
no at risk because no so full say onya team a on na first choice goalkeeper that means of okay
every say do onya team gitu e bi ko obeko just to go to the World Cup
team gitu amwa
oh who's a bro team ya ma say wanya be Brekum Chelsea bia na Gold Stars bia
yes yama obibia kwaba enfamra eye say obe network yes as usual oba don't forget say obe subscribe na watima share ere monyo na fonua atimi a share eye jumado e don person say the exclusives no enso edeba and my culture say e ba so obe network a inside Kotoko ye de maw sanso ana so obe network e wonso no ye ni nyina enso ede e ma na fi ara channel sen nyina no won se ne nema no enso esi ekwo yenhyen semana se patupa na yentimi enko yanim enra kumasi asante Kotoko no enso etime ebomodin ebomo the MTN FA Cup game emanimo so etime koso kama na enron after the game a lot of talks and ekoso na supporters no be enya happy ebinum so eye happy omo munye happy no e wo gidie pa se Asante Kotoko team no performance enro e so onya 3 points ne de our model progress e come on M10 FA Cup but our performance enro team no eda na di agopa ma ne so a in fact na ebinum susuye pa enemy ametie na me wo gidie pa se bia ka Asante Kotoko etimi hia tough opponent bia ka sa opponent no ebe ma Asante Kotoko e akere mo and I don't know say one because of two no more airborne yenye say kin face a performance den adi no enya performance ya eso ani bebrenti no se me play akra na me hye da enku me ho bebre because me nim say me kin face na kobody any fine two asanso a big game ebo Sunday which is Brekum Chelsea and exam me tumi de esun so niema enso de eho and I don't know say no can be na man na place o my performance no na sana enya gidigidi sa o pitch no so de any fine. But you best say a football. The moment our mindset to the show say opponent na we off no. Maybe an opponent na the eba be surrender e da ba ko bi. Enti best say e no say team na e win die. But sa performance na mo da the pitch no so in fact. Nya performance ya. E no mo live bia no e complaining. So omonya happy and I may agree with omo. Yes. Yomo was for winning, but this performance here, say no Kotoko room of M10 FA Cup na dia, and the other point we be na be Kotoko ajigon. Na the dream sir, amo person mo tima achieve for the M10 FA Cup and the Ghana Premier League na ajigon. Ye be say pay for the technical team amo so waka. The technical team en so waka. Mamifa has kakra enfamra we dey be prepare kakra na sesia no has asawe nkomo no e ha adwene Benjamin asawe nkomo e ha adwene diomni ansa me de bramo say has for pay for the year game has e kwakobo e wo Ghana Premier League ade omonimi no their confidence minimum NSA branch of friends and Benjamin Asari unofficially. Amodena to go post mu. Na Enra has technical team a meeting with the goalkeeper's coach Adama House of Folk. This is the situation. Mia metie. Meti me a confirm the amount say ha sim die amono Soroma agbosi performance all done dino. Omu okay. Say Benjamin Asari number 1 all blasters. Benjamin Asari performance all done as a goalkeeper solid. But the Soroma agbosi abadane dino. Asom payfonia ma enya sam ketwa. Na sa meeting na course no. Meti me a confirm the man say technical team a conclude. Adiama Najawa or goalkeeper's coach and say, on one casanya the undecided for who are obey the next goalkeeper. Oh, subsequent games a day, and that has team right enemy. But for now, technical team decided say goalkeeper Benjamin Asari. The game I don't want on a bema to go personal. I need a kutami any fella a kutami media to edge amount. To where a technical meeting of course between Benjamin and Sona Bersina Yabonito at the amount. Simple for her fee. I want to come once because I've been hydrogen. Second story from us. I have brought a friend Rocky Jamina. Now Rocky Pra. I think I could be for Mantinu against Gold Stars and a boy in play. Na boy ni prayer no e come assess anti-crucial ligament injury no e helpless no bi na se clubs no so bi pra e ko e be fa so e betima hwe pra no e de ba ko e no so e ha adwen class bebiletasi so nye player pa say bi oda o makoma so a o mo waso e hye I don't mention names some about club a club in me yes I'm mistaken no be be serem painful apart from a Rocky Jamina, the anti-crucial ligament injury, no still no, on TV. Now the meeting say a boy a bomb be 65. Now 70 on much about 65. And yes, kake tuadie. But in the took of it a bit my the latest update or work jamana engine no ana media ma still boy ni enyantewe or struggle. Some painful benya be information because they free painful. And no too. Asante Kotoko. Meeting Mekoso. Yes, meeting Mekoso. With the IMC technical team. Na based on performance of late, team Edanedi for the first round, round or second round. It also about first official Premier League game or second round. You be first round, second round against Bekum Chelsea. In fact, Kotoko IMC no enya happy with performance na make am. To make sure Zito, no for me Zito a technical meeting after performance team na day enso Edanedi no. And they put time me de Emma Utew. Before against Bekum Chelsea, omu game de enso meeting abaso. Perifonia bre pa. Cause see ya the ekwa ni ma bedu point me kwa jiegu. Ebe kwa jiegu. Ka Kotoko ehu na ka check invest enra 5 na de amomo. But yeah. Team na every new. The performance no. Real Madrid. Xabi Alonso. Omo pick points. But na me no ka say. Alonso elbow ene. They met me even Alonso no ka no. Omo catch and say chairman. Ene game na ba so. Say statement no performance na nkoya. Waso be shi. That mean results no ka no do money we. Performance a players e be dey do pitch no so. That mean and also account for football mu. Tebe says it too. Ye be sere no. Sese striker issues ayare ba ko apeja ni mu e Asante Kotoko e be 5 story bi na me dey ma unu e se mpanyfo ya bre for striker issues dozu and a branch of physical me poku ensurance in terms na dekita me a branch of fence Rudolf Mensah of Sweden All Blacks openi anopei me confirm the amount says our story no man tonchene enton suom Bernard Adair Elvis Dono and I say Elvis Bernard Adair Dono anopei mo say so be the mamo inside Kotoko Dono dia mate no enya me de dia mate wo chire no for side striker no also initially na personal times dey na ka I agreed Nanka personal terms and nanka done. But as such now, don't know, man be 30% be. Yes, eya to zoom. Me person me go deep. Bernard Adair to Asante Kotoko 30% eya to zoom. Ama se mono kasa Asante Kotoko form pain for every pursue for branch of fence Rudolf Mensah. Almost so do for so monton. But so the so do esiwo. Na the Asante Kotoko esiwa. Eba powerful or transfer in him say eba kuta eswedro because omo boy. And the camp of a branch of fence Rudolf and so qualify for say and menu yano. Omo ja branch mu. But anopede me de ema and say Asante Kotoko ebeko for a branch of Rudolf Mensah-Details Imc. Any latest update, any good news ekuta me. Just say enya sam ketwa amede mamutew. Papa neko. Aduana Stars and Kufo de no. Yes, it said do not go through. Kufo to Aduana Stars done deal. Yes, done deal. And me twom de amount. Na mamiri sa story. There's a tournament I was for finish Cocoa Cup. Ebeko so Brazil. Na ya shortlist Ghana which is Hearts and Asante Kotoko say omo embo. Na yenyim emu baako. Enra meeting etime ekoso. na sa meeting na ɛkɔ so no officially na penkra na akoto ne asensomo ɛne has rep ɛkɔ gyina mu officially ɛyɛ 15th ana mpanyifo a anasa organizers ɛde ma sa tournament on ɛpɛsɛ dwumadi na ba so na 15th no of February no in fact ebe run for your leagues ni bi na after na meeting no mpanyifo agye atum som ko Ghana football association na amatana se na fe omo din kobo na omo special date bi ara mo because o win a ansa so team e qualifier o je be $1 million and even two teams omo participate which is has an Asante Kotoko no e benya be $500,000 bi da tutu to mo si eno de da hono mo for meeting akoso with Coco Cup sa tournament da hono ma toto class nyina ebesi akan Brazil si has en Kotoko wa bebo abewini no what take opportunity that echo into no de otewa anya no pay yeti maboabo no de ema Ronald Gesson Frimpong mo so ne Ashanti Gold 04 awie Ronald Augustine Frimpong omo wie anya sam kitu atin na clubs nyina epe no but oni Ashanti Gold 04 h maybe Samsung Nations as usual omo so e signing sini bi enso betima koso Frank Amankwa ene Alex Eso so mo nyina betima dey etima Johnny Ababuama Nations etima fa no tuma pa etima fi don't forget to subscribe na fe onso wetima share